This is my cousin Steven's new little kitten, Harley. Little Harley. The kitten never stays still, so...
Hey.
Little furbo. There it goes running. Here's his new little kitten. He's so small, he's so adorable. But he has like the most beautiful blue eyes. Let me see your little head. Come on. He's a little spider, isn't he? He's rotten.
I got his neck. It looks like I'm choking him, but I'm not. I got your arm.
Oh, you got my leg. Oh, young best little kitty.
Oh.
That was him?
Yeah. You're bad.
You're rotten, aren't you?
Like
You're. You want to play with the shoelace?
The boy was sock.
Suck. The sock man kitty. Get the sock off him. He wants to play with the shoestring here. Look at that little furry kitty. He likes the shoestring. He likes the shoestring. Still has his front claw still. And here comes the big fat pudger, my cousin Steven's other cat. His little kitten, Harley, is so adorable.
He's the fifth kitty.
He's the fifth
He
kitty.
does not like to fly.
Come here, you.
It's hard to get him to stay still.
Alright, I'm
Hold
back.
to the shoe.
Okay, good kitty. Look at the camera. Hold him here. Hold it. He's rotten. Yeah, he's just a little squeaker. Put him in the hamster ball.
He's hamstering.
Hey, Angela. Angela, if you ever want him to run more, put him in the hamster ball. He could fit. There's plenty of room to breathe, and he'll have plenty of fun in it.
Come here. Please. Don't bite me.
It's a rotten little kitten. Very playful.
He never sits.
Yeah, he wants to use... I think we use that.